Hey everyone, welcome back to Ibiza Solutions. Today, we're going to walk you through how to create a brand profile and post content in Amazon Seller Central. Building a strong brand presence is crucial for success on Amazon. First, log in to your Amazon Seller Central account with your username and password. Go to the menu, navigate to Advertising and click on Campaign Manager. This will redirect you to the Amazon Advertising Console. In the Amazon Advertising Console, you'll find an option to create your brand profile. Go to the Brand Content section in the left menu and click on Brand Profile. If you're a registered brand owner, your brand name will be displayed here. Let's take a closer look. Click on Go to Brand Profile to view your profile. Your brand name, logo, and color will be shown here. To make changes, click on Edit. You can modify your profile by clicking on the Edit button. You can update your logo, adjust the logo size, and change your brand color. Once you're happy with the changes, submit for review. Great. Now let's move on to creating a post for our brand profile. Click on Posts under the Brand Content section in the left menu. You will see your brand name here. Here's an example of how your profile and post will appear on a mobile device, featuring your brand name and logo. Click on Go to Posts. Now, click on Create Post. You can choose between an image or video post. For this tutorial, we'll create an image post. Upload the image you want to use. On the right side, you'll see a preview of how your post will look when it goes live. As you upload an image post, it will be displayed in the demo mobile frame on the right. Other details, such as the product and caption you add, will also appear here for your review. Write a captivating caption and select the product by ASIN or product name. Let me quickly write a short caption and add a product to this post. I'll add the product by searching its name, but you can also directly enter the product's ASIN and click the Add button. While I do that, feel free to subscribe to our channel. It's free and helps us bring you more content. You can see the product you've added right here. When a buyer clicks on it, they'll be redirected to the product page. You can also select the start and end dates for your post. Make sure all the details are correct and then submit for review. And that's it. You've successfully created a brand profile and posted content in Amazon Seller Central. A strong brand presence can make a huge difference in your sales and customer engagement. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Amazon seller tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.